Hi! Welcome to Platform Mastery. In this video, I will show you how to add image in Figma. We have three options. First option, open your Figma account. Click here, and then go to File. Click Displace Image. Choose your image to add here. You can also resize the image by dragging the sides. You can also crop the image or change to tile. Second option, open the folder where your image is stored and then drag it to Figma's web page. And then you can edit it already. Third option is click this four-dot icon. Go to Fill and choose Image. Automatically, the image that you've chosen will reflect on the Figma's web page. And that is how to add image in Figma. Thanks for watching! For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button and click the notification bell so that you get notified for our new uploaded videos. See you next time!